Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3x whole power x is equals to 3 whole power x plus 10 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first, with the help of exponent rule, that is a power m times a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So we can write our right hand side as 3 power x times 3 power 10. Now I am going to divide both sides by 3 times 3 power x. So we can eliminate this and from here this. So what is left? X power x divided by 3 power x is equals to 3 power 10 divided by 3 power 1. Now, according to exponent rule, that is x power m divided by y power m, we can write it as x divided by y whole power m. So here x divided by 3 whole power x is equals to, here we can use the property again, x power m divided by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So 3 power 10 minus 1, that is 3 power 9. Now I'm going to take it down up below, so 3 power 9. Now in power, both sides I'm going to divide it by 3. So it becomes x by 3 whole power x by 3 is equals to 3 power 3. So on comparing both sides, what we notice, the base x by 3 is also equal 3 and the power x by 3 is also equal 3. So x by 3 is equals to 3. So now I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So we can eliminate it. So the value of x is 9. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.